In this presentation, we're going to outline several different teaching strategies to ensure efficient classroom transitions from one activity to the next. Efficient classroom transitions can save hours of time for classroom instruction. Now, before transitioning to another activity, teachers should provide their students with advanced warnings. Teachers that have consistency in the classroom have better transitions between activities. Consistency in daily tasks create routines and unconscious forces of habit. Being able to get the students' attention is essential for unexpected transitions. Younger teachers use strategies like turning the lights on and off or clapping back and forth with the students. Educators must be explicit when explaining the classroom transition procedures. Let students know what to do step by step, such as row 1 stand up. Educators can also directly teach classroom transition procedures. The best method is to do the I do, we do, you do it alone strategy. If the teacher doesn't have the materials in place, they will have to put them in place, which will slow down the transition. A great elementary teacher from North Bergen recommends counting down from 5 in order to prepare students. Countdowns are a fun and effective strategy. Every once in a while, teachers should reward the entire classroom for good transitions. Positive reinforcement is the way to go in this case, whole classroom case. Visual schedules are very helpful. We all forget things, and visual schedules are clear reminders. Schedules also help students feel in control of the classroom environment. In order to motivate students to do a good job in classroom transitions, make it a challenge to them. Students will feel a sense of accomplishment when they complete the transition in a timely fashion. It's important to also reflect on classroom transition activities and evaluate how much time is actually being lost in each case. Transitioning from one activity to the next requires open walkway space for students to get through. A cluttered classroom will hinder students' abilities to transition. Transition songs are also effective. I use the cleanup song with my son to get him to pick up his toys and go to bed. It works like a charm. Clean up, everybody clean up. Some teachers place visual timers on their desk. Teachers can set timer for 30 seconds and ask the students to be ready for the next activity in that time. Throughout the year, as time goes by, students as a group are going to get sloppier in their transitions. Teachers may have to do a reteach every now and then. For some students with special needs and learning disabilities, teachers may have to draw or outline transition movements. There may be 1 or 2 students that consistently and purposefully interrupt the classroom transition. Even after positive reinforcements have been put in place, that student should be disciplined at this point. And lastly, carefully observe students during the transition. If you are not watching the students as their teacher, don't expect them to have an orderly transition. If there are any other strategies you would like to add, just please put it in the comment section below. Right now, I want to say thank you for your time. Subscribe to this channel, hit that thumbs up button, and check the description and information icon for resources as well. Thank you.